Thick, savory, and loaded with protein, this is vegan sausage gravy, and it belongs on a biscuit. We're going to start by hydrating some TVP, which is textured vegetable protein, with 1 cup of hot vegetable broth. Once it's hydrated, it goes into a hot oiled pan. Spread it out flat so that it's ready for all the seasonings. We are going to add some sage, some smoked paprika, thyme, garlic powder, black pepper, and a little bit of soy sauce. This is what makes it taste like sausage instead of, well, like bland textured vegetable protein. Keep it moving and let it get some color. You're looking for lightly browned, a little crisp in spots. Once it's there, scoop it out and set it aside, and we're keeping that same pan. No need to wash it. All those brown bits on the bottom, that'll season the gravy before we even start. Butter goes right in over those drippings. Let it melt slowly. We're building the base of our gravy here. Sprinkle in the flour and stir it straight into the butter. This is a roux and it needs a minute or 2 on the heat. You want to turn it just lightly golden. If you skip this step, your gravy is going to taste like raw flour. Give it the time. Start adding your oat milk slowly, not all at once, a little at a time, whisking constantly. Wait for the flour to absorb before adding more. This is what will keep it smooth and lump-free. Once all the milk is in, just keep whisking over medium heat and watch it thicken up. When it's thick enough to coat the back of a spoon but still pourable, the TVP will go back in. Stir it through. If it tightens up too much, just add a little bit of oat milk at a time until you get the consistency that you're looking for. Add some black pepper over the top and that's it. Spoon it over biscuits. If you missed the biscuit video, I'll link it right here because these two were made for each other. High protein, completely plant-based, and honestly, it holds up to any version you've ever had. Hope you enjoy.